People with obesity are lazy.
People with obesity are lazy.
Overweight people lack self-control.
Overweight people lack self-control.
Obesity is a sign of poor self-discipline.
We are going to understand why people with obesity are not lazy by talking about two stages of weight loss journey that addresses two main questions. First, why it's hard to lose weight even if you are making efforts to lose weight. Second, why majority of people regain their weight after weight loss. Welcome to the Nutrition and Health series, where you learn about nutrition, health, disease prevention and management based on scientific evidence. Our bodies have built-in mechanism to regulate the energy we consume, spend, and store. Whenever there is a positive energy balance, where our energy intake is more than the energy our bodies need to function properly, then our bodies store extra energy as fat that leads to obesity in long term. Based on this overly simplified concept, the majority of people believe that overeating and lack of physical activity are the only two causes of energy imbalance that leads to obesity. However, this is not the case. In fact, there are a combination of individual, social, psychological, biological, and environmental factors that collectively collaborate to the development of obesity. If you want to learn more about these factors, you can watch our video where we explain that overeating is not the only cause of obesity. In order to lose weight properly, it's important to understand the underlying causes and contributors of obesity that is different for each individual. Then use these causes and contributors to develop causes-specific weight loss strategy to lose weight. Perhaps people that struggle to lose weight might be attributed to the misdiagnosis of the main factors that cause the energy imbalance. As a result, the weight loss strategies might not address the underlying causes of energy imbalance that will lead to difficulties in the weight loss process. These factors explain why it's hard to lose weight and why some people, even with struggling in following a specific weight loss strategies, are not losing weight. Once you lose weight, the next step is to maintain the healthy body weight that you have achieved. However, it's a well-known fact that weight maintenance after weight loss is hard. In fact, studies have shown that almost half of the people who lost weight will regain it after 2 years, and 80% of people will regain the weight after 5 years of their initial weight loss. Majority of people attribute weight regain after weight loss to the lack of motivation and self-control. This led to increasing stigmatization of people with obesity as lazy and unreliable people. However, our bodies have physiological mechanisms that regulate the fat mass, which are far beyond voluntary food intake and physical exercise. Therefore, it's important to understand why people regain the weight that they lost to avoid weight regain, but at the same time, it will help us to avoid stigmatization of people with obesity. To better understand the reasons why people regain weight, first of all, it's important to understand what happens to fat cells in our body when we gain and lose weight. During the weight gain process, two main changes happen to fat cells. First, increase in our fat cell size. Second, increase in our fat cells number. However, when we lose weight, only fat cell size decrease, but the fat cells number do not decrease. These changes in fat cells after weight loss contribute to weight regain in the following ways. First, our body's lack of ability to lose fat cells after weight loss. As a result, our bodies have higher number of fat cells after weight loss. Second, smaller fat cells after weight loss have lower energy expenditure capabilities compared to larger fat cells. Finally, smaller fat cells after weight loss have higher desire to store fat. Taking all these changes together, fat tissue in people with weight loss have a higher number of fat cells that spend less energy and store more energy. As a result, these changes will lead to weight regain in the long term. The second issue is our appetite. Our appetite system is controlled by hormones, and hormonal changes occur after weight loss. Some of the hormonal changes that occur after weight loss include reduction in leptin, peptide Y, and cholecystokinin, and increase in ghrelin and pancreatic polypeptide. These hormonal changes affect the appetite system of individuals who lost weight that will lead to increase in their appetite, food reward, and food cravings. Finally, these hormonal changes will lead to involuntary overeating that will cause weight regain in the long term. Overall, it's important to correctly diagnose the causes and contributors of obesity and follow cause-specific weight loss strategies, and understand that physiologic changes occur after weight loss that contribute to weight regain, which are far beyond self-control. However, in consultation with your healthcare provider for developing a scientific-based weight maintenance strategies, you are more likely to maintain your healthy body weight. If you found this information helpful and would like to know more about nutrition, health, disease prevention, and management, subscribe to our channel.